Hey guys, today a good topic has been the tailgate camera mod for the autosync, and probably didn't do mine. I think there's a few different ways to do it, but I did mine just on a whim. I was going to wait and order the harness from the harness doctor, but I just got impatient, and I put in a few of the backup cameras. I put one in my Corvette, I put one in another pickup truck, and helped a few friends out, and I figured the wiring would be about the same, so I'm going to show you how I did mine. I'm not saying this will work for yours. It just, my 2018 LTZ, it's been working good for about 3 months now, and it worked good for me. So I'll show you what I did. You guys, the first thing you want to do is take these screws out, and I broke the tip of a cheap Torx bit off in this one, so I can't take it out. Well, I got for using the impact gun with a cheap bit. Anyway, I got all the rest of these out, so what I'm going to do is lift this up, pull it over, and you'll see not this one. That goes to your lock. So you want to get down here on this one, right down in here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see the camera plug right here. So I'm gonna kind of reach in there and undo that one from there, and then it goes around through the bottom side of the bracket. And once you undo it from the bottom side of the bracket, you can see how it fishes through there. You can pull this out like this. Now I've already done mine. I've been using it for a while now, but I'm gonna take it apart and show you what I did. So whenever you get into the camera wiring, this wire right here just broke. It just pulled apart as I was taking it apart. So these wires, there's nothing to them. They're really small. So be very, very careful with them if you decide to go this route. This is going to the camera. This is coming from the truck, okay? The white wire, that is your trigger wire that turns the camera on for a few seconds. It comes on and then it cuts off to cut the camera off and on. This is your main hot for the camera. You've got the yellow and the black, white and red. So the one coming from the truck, I folded back. It's just cut clean and folded back. The red one is going to be connected back to this red one because I didn't, it broke. So pretty much, I know this is not the neatest way to do it, but the best way to do it is to buy the harness from the harness doctor, no doubt. And then this trigger wire going to the camera, we're going to connect it to the red wire also, and that way that camera stays on all the time. And I've been using this for about, I'm gonna say 3, maybe 4 months, and that's it. That's what I have done in my wiring. So if you're looking to not get the harness from harness doctor and you're looking to do like what I did, because I was impatient and I just wanted to get it going. So the red wire, just try to splice get the insulation off. Cut the white wire, the side coming in from the truck. Just make sure it's not going to get against anything. Just fold it over and tape it, and then connect the white wire into the red wire. That'll turn it on where they're all on, and then tape it up best you can. That's why I say I wished I would have waited, but I've already butchered mine now, so kind of is what it is, but it does work great. And then you put it back into the little clips the same way it came out, and you're done. Now we're back in the truck. Truck is running, it is in park. View rear view camera. There it is. And then the turn signal camera. There it is. So yeah, once you get it hooked up where it's on all the time, you know, like I say, that's not the cleanest way to do it, but it did work. Alright, I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to. I'm always doing videos on this truck and other stuff, just trying to keep stuff going on the road. So yeah, thanks for watching.